What the? I need it on my desk now! Woo! Oh! A cordless pressure washer powerful enough to destroy a potato? Alright. Let's now cut. Ooh! This is pretty strong! And it's got different spray modes. Okay! This is convenient! Let's try to wash my car! Pretty good! Now the potato! Whoa! Instantly punched a hole on it! This is so good! It's got a whole set of attachments. Each battery is 7,500 mAh. I use it to wash my whole car and still have power left. Guys, this is gold.
Get down, you little ma, what a fool, little sense,